First of all, sorry. This isn't an easy situation, and nothing I say is going to make it better or make you feel any better. I want you to know I have kids, so I feel your pain.
A 2 News Investigates exclusive tonight, a raw look inside a tragedy and the change now in effect that could help save the lives in the future.
For 3 years, Chief Investigative Reporter Wendy Holleran has been digging into the failures of the system to track a parolee who drove high and killed 2 3-year-old boys. Wendy?
Well, Mark and Jamie, I spoke with Brooke Jackson and Teresa Ratliff. They both wanted you and lawmakers to see the videos we're about to show you. The moments they learned their sons were gone, victims of a parolee not properly supervised by the state. A warning, this story may be hard for some of you to watch.
Confirm 2 juveniles, 1085 Echo.
Don't look.
Two helicopters. We have 2 birds coming so far. I called them.
Bobby Ratliff, Odin's father, running frantically, his world about to be shattered.
There is a possible father over there.
Yep, we've got
Another one over here.
Jeremy Jackson about to learn the awful realization.
Trying to find a blanket to cover these up. Who are you?
This is Dad. I am Dad.
Okay. This is Dad to one of the kids.
Yeah,
okay.
This is my wife's van right here. I've got 2 kids in there somewhere.
Okay. One.
Okay.
One.
I've got 2 kids
Where's your
over here
wife?
somewhere.
The
Brooke.
wife is over here. Come on. She's right over here.
Finding his wife, Brooke, Odin's parents, Teresa and Bobby.
How are you guys involved?
My son, he killed my son.
Those are your children over there.
One of them is mine, the other one is over there. Mine is the one in the red and white.
We've got 1 adult male, 1085 Charlie to Delta. How about you? What?
I'm fine.
Who was driving? Okay.
The man behind the wheel, Kent Cody Barlow.
That night, Kent Cody Barlow left on a Life Flight helicopter, unconscious but alive and breathing.
While Brooke's son Hunter and his friend Odin,
No longer looking like themselves, Hunter and Odin left in body bags and biohazard containers.
So how did this happen? We obtained records of what Barlow's parole agent documented, but his entry the day after the crash was completely blacked out. We took our fight to the State Records Committee. Attorneys for the state fought aggressively to keep it secret. Assistant Attorney General Blaine Hansen argued treatment providers should not be publicly identified, and releasing Barlow's medical records is an unwarranted invasion of personal privacy.
We don't feel that the public interest outweighs our interest in retaining the documents private in this case.
Motion carries.
In a 4-2 vote, UDC was ordered to give me that entry except the name of Barlow's treatment provider. UDC, though, took the fight to district court, refusing to give up the records, getting a judge to seal their complaint. That entry was leaked to us by a whistleblower. What lies beneath reveals Barlow tested positive for meth weeks before the crash and never went back to Wasatch Behavioral Health, his treatment provider, for 21 days before he killed Hunter and Odin. His parole agent noted Wasatch did not tell him. My investigation discovered that's because Wasatch didn't have to. It wasn't required of them. But after I exposed this blind spot, it changed to hopefully help prevent tragedy in the future.
Had we been familiar with this failure in the system, we would have taken steps earlier to correct it. Unfortunately, it took this event to make us aware of it.
Third substitute Senate Bill 74 passes this body.
Senate Bill 74 now law. As part of the conditions of parole, if the offender's parole is routine or random drug testing, the parole board orders the parolee to sign a HIPAA waiver, allowing the treatment provider to notify their parole agent about the results.
It's unfortunate that a tragic event had to happen to bring this to light, but we have fixed this issue.
Mike Schoenfeld from the Utah Department of Corrections says they will implement this in August, redoing all parole and probation agreements and require all offenders who have drug treatment as a condition to sign the HIPAA waiver. They will also train APNP agents to make sure they are aware of the new law and the new requirement. I asked him if this sends a message specifically to parolees, and he said it should. As they sign the waivers, the minute they find out they've failed drug tests and or not participating in treatment, they will get a warrant from the parole board to put them back in prison. Jamie?